This beat's about to get nasty. Vanilla wafers coming at you with some Laffy Taffy. FDR was a pretty cool guy. He created the New Deal so we could survive. He made a series of programs to subside Franklin from the Great Depression. His deal expands the Works Progress Administration. Over 8 million people employed. They were probably so joyed. It also fixed the highways. Now, people thought that it was too good to be true, so they accused him of boondoggling. What is boondoggling? People claimed he was creating useless jobs and ballooning the national debt. That's not cool, it is wrong. That's kinda lame, FDR. The SSA is something we ain't never seen before. It brought Social Security to the board. Now, pension systems is something that is not boring. Your grandma probably uses it in the morning. Most times of the day. It brought aid to mothers and children who could not afford necessities. Now it also helped the blind and disabled. That is not a fable, it is totally real. Totally real! Collective bargaining was part of the Wagner Act. Yo, what's that do? Now employees can negotiate about the hours they work. It does fluctuate like the stock market. It led to creating a minimum wage that is not lame. Not lame.
We believe in social security. We believe in work for the unemployed. Cross our hearts and hope to die. But we do not like the way the present administration is doing that.
I didn't even know FDR was that funny, bro. I thought they were all serious back then. Vanilla wafer back on the beat. Yeah. Yo, Herbert Hoover, I didn't forget about you. You got us in the situation in the first place. So loser, I wanna slap you in the face. Yo, Hoover, did you even care about the country? Cause you hit all the federal aid. You were probably pocketing it to go to baseball games. Herbert Hoover has attended the most MLB games out of any US president in history. Yeah. Yo. Anyone who casted a vote to Hoover just wasted a perfectly good piece of paper. Thank you, everyone. Vanilla wafer out.